our recessed underbarred bar station with drain board. First off, the overall dimensions. We have a length of 12 inches and a depth of 22.5 inches. Overall height of legs, we have 33 inches tall. Coming to the inside will be your removable drain board. The measurement for the drain board will include 20 inches deep by 12 inches in length. Measurements applied for the removable drain board. This can be inserted back into the recess station. Located in the interior will be the drain. So when the plate of the removable drain board is placed back into the interior, all the water from your wet mugs, cups, and plates will run off into the drain towards the bottom. Located on the very bottom of the recessed drain board, coming to the top left corner is the NSF certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.